So I just wanted to point out how unique the approach we're taking is of taking the success of AlphaFold in solving protein folding in fall of 2020 and using that to argue then you use AI and blockchain together to solve the big 6 problems of the human race: climate emergency, nuclear war, COVID-19 pandemic, systemic racism, colonialism, and male aggression. And it's not just the scale of what we're proposing that is remarkable, the sort of sky-high scale, but also the self-organizing part of it, taking situations where there have been prevailing forces shaping the situation for a long time and yet persisting to make a success of it, and following the path of least resistance, following self-organizing principles to sort of do things in the natural way. So we've been making videos suggesting changes in the depiction of artificial intelligence online since January 2018. And many of those were reacted to within a matter of days. So that is also remarkable, how quickly the effects were seen and how uniformly we got positive responses. It's also interesting to sort of think about the number of people required to make change. I still think at our end, 1, 2, or 3 people can make a big difference. And at the receiving end, similarly, if you think of the changes we made in the Government of Finland AI course online, I think it probably only took 1 or 2 people at the Finland end to make that change. And similarly, the changes we made in Yuval Noah Harari's proposals, I think that also took probably just a few people, 1, 2, or 3 on his team that affected those changes. So we still live in a world where individuals can make big changes. And the idea of taking on all the 8 big problems, all the 6 big problems of the human race, and not trying to do everything ourselves, but to inspire other people around the world to make the necessary changes and take action. Yeah, and we've had success with that thus far in the other videos we've been producing since January 2018, and I see no reason we can't keep on with that success, as counterintuitive as it may seem to you. So I think this really is kind of out of the box, outside the box thinking, and maybe you will find that inspiring as a component of what we're up to. Yeah. Okay.